Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect laptops to computer or monitor. So there are several ways to connect a laptop to a computer, each with its own advantage and uses, and here are the most common methods. The first one is you can use the wired connections like Ethernet cable, and you can also use the USB cable. But this method requires a special USB bridging cable, which is specifically designed to connect two computers. And you can also use wireless connections like Wi-Fi. If both your laptop and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, you can access file and resources on each other's device using network sharing. This method is convenient but can be slower than wired connection, especially for large file transfer. And you can also do screen mirroring, but this method allows you to mirror your laptop screen onto your computer monitor, and this is useful for presentation or for sharing. And additional consideration, you can do file transfer. So once your devices are connected, you can use file sharing software or built-in tools to transfer files between them. So some popular file transfer software options include the Windows File Explorer, Mac Finder, and the cross-platform ShareLat and FileZilla. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and also click on thanks. Bye!